All right, guys, just doing a quick recap for today. Market sold off heavily, but at the open, we could get a really nice scalp, one 5-minute open range breakup. So Tesla was trading just a little bit below the previous day close at 208. Sold off for 2 minutes, suddenly huge squeeze back up. This is a candlestick that I really like. This is a squeeze candlestick. So we went long and added more, holding it for a few minutes. We stop loss were just below the VWAP and eventually squeezed up and partial at 1R, 2R, and then we came to the previous day close. That's the previous day close, 2850. We added heavy on that at 28 and popped up all the way up to 950, and it came down. I got stopped out at the break even. So that was a very that was the only trade that I did. So that was just very nice, very profitable. So just one single trade. We really didn't have any other trade on that. So and essentially what we're going to do that again, if you want to look at the 2-minute chart, sorry, 5-minute chart. So it's essentially become a very nice 5-minute open range breakup. You know, at the you go long at the open of the next candle, as you see, all the way up from the previous day, because after that it sold off, and you know, it was just very horrible looking at the price action after that all day sell off with the whole market. But that was the only trade that I did. So very interesting, if you want to look into that, is that a squeeze candlestick. Obviously that very bullish candlestick that is squeezed up, so that's the one that you really want to go long here, because this is just a huge candlestick. So whoever was here short, you know, is getting a squeeze, so you go long, and the stop loss would be below this VWAP, and obviously this heavy add was the red to green move. So two strategy here, so 5-minute open range breakup and a red to green, which we added on there as well. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for watching, and guys, see you guys in the chat room.